Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify role-based access UI with Firebase Firestore, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To verify role-based access in your application's UI using Firebase Firestore, follow these steps. Begin by setting up your Firebase project in the Firebase console. Navigate to the Firestore database section and create a new collection for user roles. Add documents to this collection to represent different roles, such as admin, editor, and viewer. Include fields in each document that specify the permissions associated with each role. Next, implement Firebase authentication in your project to manage user sign-ins. When a user signs in, retrieve their role from the Firestore collection. Store this role in the user's session for easy access throughout the application. In your UI components, create a function to check the user's role against the required access level for each component. Use conditional rendering to display or hide components based on the user's role. For instance, if the role is admin, show all available options. If the role is viewer, limit the displayed options accordingly. Test the access control by logging in with different user roles. Verify that users only see the UI elements they have permissions for. Make any necessary adjustments in the Firestore rules to enhance security. Review your setup by simulating different user access scenarios. Finally, ensure that all role changes in Firestore reflect in real time on your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.